how to install a new theme in your WordPress. So currently you see I am logging with my WordPress admin credential, and here I have to install a new theme. To installing a new theme, you will have to come under appearances. Okay, so here under appearances you can see these are all 1, 2, 3, 4, that is already installed theme in my case. Now, in case you have to install a new theme, you'll have to click here on add a new theme, add new theme. So once you click on that button, it will give you an option here. From here, you can search your theme you are looking for. Suppose I have to install this cadence theme. Got it? So this is the first one I want to install. So I will click on. I just find this one and I will click on install. So installing is started, you can see here, and it may take some time depending on the theme you choose and the size of that particular theme. And yes, it also depend on your internet speed. So in my case, it's all good. It is installed, you can see, and now I have to activate this one. So if I click on activate, this particular theme will be activated. Now coming back to the site, let me try accessing this one and see. Yes, so this is coming here. Got it? So this is currently, you see my site is coming like this, but I don't like much here. So I will have to import a home page. Let's see how you can do that. So this is how you can install the n number of themes and you can activate and deactivate. Suppose you activated this one and you don't like this one. You have installed another theme, then you can activate the other one also. From here, if I activate this one, I will go back to the previous one. If I refresh, everything will be coming like previously it was coming. Got it? But now I want this theme to be activated and install AI starter template. I will also want to install the starter template suggested by this particular theme, because that feature only will help me to create a page in a very easy way. So let's see how we can create the page. So now you can see it is installed. So activate Cadence AI starter template or use classic template. So activate this one. To activate this one, we'll have to log in here. But I don't want this time. So use classic starter template. Okay, so these are all template with this particular theme. Theme name is Cadence. You can see here. So Cadence's theme, you will be able to see this particular theme. So Cadence name you can see. So from here I will pick one. Let me choose the one, because you see the most of our pro here. I have to pick only the free one. So I will click on this free only. Probably this one will be more suitable. So I am going to use this thing. Okay, so once you pick that one, we'll have to just simply click next and next, and everything will be done automatically. Finish launch, start import. So installing and activating plugin. It will install the related plugins with that particular template I pick of this Cadence theme. So here it will take some time because it will copy some images from server to your server. That means on WordPress. So in maybe the some image are the high quality here, so it may take some time. Yeah. So let's wait for a few minutes here. Yeah, till the time you can again go back to your main site, and if you refresh this one, you may start seeing some changes. But currently I don't see any changes, so I don't have to worry around because everything will be changed. Earlier it was around the construction, now it will be changed. Yeah, if I come back to the page, I can see success. So you are so much closer to launch. So see my site. Yes, I can see my site like this. So this is home page.